So today a friend of a friend invited me out to a purchase he just made, and I'm in awe really of what we found here. Check it out. You probably have no idea what this is. I didn't. But this is a late 50s, early 60s Kellison out here in the woods. Fiberglass body. Look at that thing. It's got the bluish green metallic steering wheel, Stuart Warner gauges, 4 on the floor. I mean, this thing is just unbelievable. Original seats. Essentially, these were made by a guy, an Air Force pilot, who once he got out of the Air Force made race cars. And these were used everything from road course to dragsters. And here is one sitting in the woods in this guy's yard. But look what's behind it. Now, I didn't know what this is either, and you may or may not. This is another Kellison. It's a slightly different model. This is a J4. The one I just showed you is a J5. And this one is even more awesome. The hood scoop is open. It's got slots on it. And this thing is just incredible. This is the one that my friend just bought. This one is an automatic. Again, look at that dash with the gauges and all the switches, all Stuart Warner gauges, 10 grand tack, 160 mile an hour speedometer. This one does not look like it has the original seats. The roll bar, complete fiberglass body. I know it's a tough video to see because I'm so close to the car, but the woods are very, very tight here. It's got L88 flares that were added at some point. Again, the slots. Just an incredible car. It's been damaged in the back, but it's going to get a full resto. Anyway, I thought you'd enjoy seeing these cars. They're a piece of history here, sitting in the woods.